Hello, my name is Qinghua Chen. Here's my answer to for homework 4. What's answer 1? Answer 1 for homework 4. If you want to get the density function and the distribution function of the x, first we know that the gx, so we can get the picture of the gx, and from this picture we can know that the value of the y is only small less than or equals 2 and bigger than or equals -1. So we can get that the distribution function of the y is equals to 1 when y is bigger than 2, because y is must be less than or equals to 2. So when y is bigger than 2, the probability of y smaller than this y must be must be established right. So when y is bigger than 2, the distribution function of y is equals to 1, and when y is smaller than less than -1, its value is 0. It's not possible for the y to be less than -1. Now we can when y is smaller than and or equals 1 and bigger than or is equal to -2, we can divide the cases in we can divide this into 4 cases. When y is equals 2, the probability of y equals 2 is equal to from the picture we can see that is equal to probability of x smaller than 0, because when x smaller than 0, the value of y is 2. So it's equal to distribution function of the x of when x is equal to 0. And at y is equal to 0, from the picture we can see that when y is equal to 0, the x is smaller than 1 and bigger than or equals 0. So we can get the probability of y equals 0 is fx1 minus fx0. When y is equals to when y equals -1, probability of y equals -1 is equal to probability of x is bigger than 2. So the probability of y equals -1 is equal to 1 minus fx2. And when y is between -1 and 0, we can get that y is equal to -x plus 1. And then we can get the density function of the y, use the gx and the density function of x. We can know that the density function of the y is equal to the density function of x of when x is equal to -y plus 1. So now we can get the whole density function of the y. When y is equal to -1, 0, and 2, they are impulse function, and the area of the impulse function are 1 minus fx2, fx1 minus fxo, and fx0. And when y is smaller than and bigger than smaller than 0 and bigger than -1, because it's density function, and otherwise the density function is 0. So now, as we have figured out the density function of the y, now we can get the distribution function of y. When we have know when y is smaller than -1, it's equal to 0, and when y is bigger than or equals 2, it's 1. So we just need to know what's the value between -1 and 2. When y is bigger, when y is between -1 to 0, we can integrate fyx. We can integrate fyx. We use the respect of x from -infinity to y, and then we do these steps to figure out the value of the fy when y is smaller than when y is between -1 and 0. Finally, we get the distribution function of y is equal to 1 minus fx minus y plus 1. And we know when y is bigger than or equal to 0 and smaller and less than 2, we can use the value of this when y is equal to 0 and plus the impulse plus the integration of the impulse function of when y is equals 0. This the integration of this is fx1 minus fx0. When we plus this to 1 minus fx1, we can get the value of 1 minus fx0. That's the value of when y is smaller than is less than 2 and bigger than or equals to 0.